Let's talk about the Polygon Sum Conjecture. What this really refers to is the amount of degrees of angles in any shape. And we're going to use what we already know, which is that triangles, the three angles in a triangle, always add up to 180 degrees, right? These three angles, though they're the measurement of those angles in degrees will add up to 180. Well, take a look at this next shape, this quadrilateral. I can draw two triangles. Each of those triangles has 180 degrees for a total of 360 degrees. This pentagon, I can draw three triangles, each of which has 180 degrees for a total of 540 degrees. This hexagon, I can draw four triangles, all of which have 180 for a total of 720 degrees. Finally, I have an octagon, so 8 sides. And you'll notice here we have 6 triangles, all with 180 degrees. So here's the thing. No matter how many sides we have, we can always say, okay, if I put a point and I can draw it. Now, you can't draw a triangle to the two sides that are right next to it. You can only go to sides that are across from it. We can't draw a triangle to here and here. We can only draw triangles across. Well, if you take the number of sides and, you pick a point and say, well, I can't draw to those two. I can only draw to the other ones. Here, you can't draw to these two. You can only draw to the other ones. The number of triangles I can draw is always 2 less than the number of sides because you can't draw a triangle to the sides that are adjacent. They're right next to it. So we take the number of sides and we subtract the 2 sides that you can't draw a triangle to, and we multiply that number by 180 degrees. That represents how many, or the measurement of a triangle. This is how many degrees are inside our polygon. So if I said I drew a 12-sided shape, how many degrees inside it? You could say, well, it's 12 minus 2, so 10, multiplied by 180. So 10 times 180 is 1,800 degrees. And that's the Polygon Sum Conjecture. We can figure out what all of the angles will add up to in any side, like number of side polygon, by just subtracting 2 to count how many triangles we could have drawn, and then multiplying by the 180 degrees. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more geometry content.